Hello everyone, myself Anjali Dwivedi, student of JNKVV College of Agriculture, Rewa. Today I am presenting a topic that is hybrid seed production of millet under the guidance of Dr. R.P. Joshi sir. So firstly let us know about the taxonomy of bajra, and its botanical name is Panicetum glaucum, family Poaceae, origin West Africa, and the chromosome number is 14. Mode of pollination. Bajra is predominantly protogynous, so wind is a major pollinator. Floral biology. The spike emerges about 10 weeks after sowing and the stigma remains receptive for 12 to 24 hours. The anther emergence starts from middle of the spike and proceed upwards and downwards. And the anthesis occur throughout the day and night with the peak between 8 to 2 pm. The plant is thus markedly protogynous and the cross pollination normally occurs. Breeding technique for hybrid seed production. Cytoplasmic genetic male sterility system are used for the hybrid seed production of bajra, and the line involved A, B and R line. History of bajra hybrid seed production. The first report on CGMS line was made by Burton and his co-workers at Tifton, Georgia, USA, and the line is TIFT 23. Land requirement. Firstly, it should be fertile. Problematic soil should be avoided. The previous crop should not be the same crop, and if the variety is same, it should have been certified by the seed certification agency. Commercial hybrid seed production in bajra. So the high isolation distance adopted for foundation seed is 1000 meter and for certified seed is 200 meter. And the season in irrigated area March to April and January to February, and in rain-fed area June to July. Seed rate for A line, that is female line, 6 kg per hectare, and for R line, that is male line, 2 kg per hectare. Main field preparation formed into ridges and furrows. These are the some popular hybrids of bajra. First, KM1, which is made by the female MS5141A and the male J104. KM2, the female involved is MS5141A and the male K560D230. And some other hybrids are X4, X5, X6, X7, HB1, HB3, HB5, UCH11 and COH8. Rogging. It is done in both lines. For A line, seek for off types, pollen cedar and partials. R line, seek for early flowering plants, rogue and deceased plant. And the characters of off type are variation in leaf color, leaf waviness, grain color, ear head shape, size, etc. And the number of field inspection done during this procedure are 3 at seedling stage, tillering stage and the grain formation stage. Manures and fertilizers required at nursery 750 kg for transplanting in 1 hectare, and in main field compost required is 12 ton per hectare, NPK 100 is to 50 is to 50 kg per hectare. For the basal dose 50 is to 50 is to 50 kg per hectare, and for top dressing 50 kg per hectare 30 to 35 days at tillering phase, and for foliar spray DAP 1% at peak flowering to enhance flowering and seeds. Steps for synchronization of flowering. Withholding irrigation. Second, application of DAP 1%. Third, staggered sowing. Fourth, jerking. Now, what is jerking is? It is done 20 to 25 days after transplanting or 30 to 40 days after direct sowing. The early formed ear head of the first tiller are pulled out or removed, which will result in uniform flowering of all the tillers. Pest and diseases. Pest. First is soot fly. To avoid soot fly infestation, a prophylactic spray with monocrotophos can be practiced 1 week after transplanting. Second, blister beetle. To spray contact insecticide for the control. And the diseases are downy mildew, ergot, smut, rust. And for the control of these diseases, use systematic fungicide like mancozeb, kavach, carbendazim, topsin, etc. Irrigation. Field is irrigated immediately after sowing and third day live irrigation is given. Then once in 10 days irrigation has to be given and the critical stages of irrigation are tailoring, milky stage and maturation stage. Proper and adequate irrigation increases the seed set and yield of quality set. Harvesting techniques. Seed attain physiological maturation at 30 to 35 days after 50% flowering, and the moisture count of seed at this stage will be 30 to 35%. Due to tailoring habit, harvest the panicle or earhead into picking to avoid delayed harvest and select 5 to 7 tillers for seed purpose. Processing. Grade with 464 round perforated metal sieve as a middle screen. And use OSAW industrial product cleaner cum grader. And the for seed treatment we use Therum and Bavistine at the rate of 3 gram per kg seed. Threshing. The earhead are dried for 2 to 3 days on the threshing floor and the threshing is done at moisture content of 15 to 18% either manually that is by stick beating or mechanically that is by LCD thresher. Yield. Bajra crop yield 30 to 35 quintals of grains and 100 quintals of dry straw per hectare. Under irrigated condition and under rain-fed condition 12 to 15 quintals of grain and 75 quintals of fodder per hectare. Thank you.